Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Oh, the f was that? Anywho, let's start that over. I need some Vaseline though, because my lips are coming. Alright, let's get this started. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Seta, and I know I've been gone for a really long time, but I am back again with a video. And since this coronavirus got motherfuckers in their house, I'm here because I decided to film a video on how I did my hair. Guys, first thing is, I am not no professional. I'm just the person who sat and learned over time. I'm just gonna show you guys what I know, what I do, and you guys can follow these techniques, and hopefully it helps you guys in the future. Before we get into this video, make sure that you guys click that subscribe button so it adds you to the family, and then click that little bell so it notifies you whenever I post. All right guys, so let's get into the video and let's see how I got this done. Alright, so the cap is on my head. Also, if you be getting in and out lighting, I am using natural lighting. I am, so apologize for that advance. But the cap I'm using is this. I'm using one that's kind of like closer to my skin tone a little bit. You can find these at your local beauty supply store. I ordered these off of Amazon because, to be honest, I was just way too lazy to go to the store and go buy it. And it came in 2 days because the Amazon Prime. But you can, let me say 2 days. They came overnight. But yeah, you could get those. These ones actually feel smaller than usual than the ones I get in the store, but that's just me. So what I did was I just cleaned around here, cleaned around basically where my frontal is gonna be at with the alcohol, and it's just to get rid of any oil, just to get like a better stick, because I have dry skin. So my lotion, I know it has like, I don't know if it has oil in it, but I know it has moisture. So the hair I'm gonna be applying today is, what is this? Loose deep wave. I got this from Fairyystylish. It's one of my favorite places to order my hair from. The frontal is a 13 by 6 and it's 18 inches. Then I have 3 bundles and it is 22, 24, and 28. I kind of jumped over 26 just because I wanted longer and I was not gonna do 4 bundles because my bank account was not screaming at it. This is smaller than usual. I don't know. Let me pull this more down on my eyebrows. I'm gonna cut a space for my ears. So I just kind of like go like this, take the scissors like that, cut up a little bit. Oh wait, did I cut it? Yeah. And just kind of like take my ear out. Then I cut down a little bit and just pull my ear through. Then I'm gonna take my Got to Be Glued spray and I'm just gonna spray my hairline. And as you can see, I can already see where I normally do it, so that's where I do it. I look bald as hell. I have a small head, y'all. Y'all don't have to say it. I already know I have a tiny, small head. But what I'm doing now is just kind of cutting, because I don't like that pulling feeling that I be getting. So I just kind of cut all the places that I need to cut. And then I start from here, kind of take it and just kind of like go back a little bit. Okay, so y'all see this mark right here? It's the alcohol. My skin is dry. I do have dry skin, so you're gonna see like it look like that. So if you was to have like, you know, a yellow cap or whatever, because I kind of have the brown, you could easily take your foundation, color your skin, and you could just easily go over it just like that. For me, since it's already my color, it didn't really do too much. It did something, I can see that. but it didn't really do too much. So I recently just washed this hair, which means it kind of got rid of the tint that I had on it. And right now I ordered more tint, and it hasn't come in yet because of this coronavirus, and it's been a while, so I don't know exactly when it's gonna come in. So for now, the same thing I was talking about the cap, I'm just gonna take my foundation and just do the lace. So now I'm just about to place this over my head and scoop this back. Okay, so I'm just like placing it on my head and seeing how I want this to sit, stuff like that. Okay, so I like to go in sections. I'm running out of everything, guys, and this is not the time because coronavirus, everything's running out, so it's not good. So I'm gonna take my Ghost Bond. I usually use Bold Hold or Ghost Bond, Bold Hold, you can use whatever, but I recently just ordered the Erica J one, so I'm waiting for that to come in, but you know, everything with deliveries, things are taking its time. Right here, it's like, it's gonna take forever to get dry, and by that time the one on my skins are already dry. So what I do, I don't know, this is just me, you could wait till it turns completely white, but to be honest, majority of the time it don't be turning completely white. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to make sure my ears are even, and I'm about to pull this forward and place it. Sorry if I'm looking in the mirror. I'm going through the hair and I'm pressing this down. It being further back, I noticed that it gives you a longer effect. It makes your frontals last longer. So now that it's on my head, I'm about to tie this down. So I'm just gonna tie it like this. And I'm gonna leave it for like 15 minutes and then come back. So right now I'm just gonna I'm gonna take this off, and then I'm gonna take out my baby hairs just to lay them down. Because when I first did this hair, which was like my birthday weekend, I didn't take out no baby hairs. So right now all these hair are just long in itself, and then now I'm about to take out the baby hairs. Yeah, so basically now I'm gonna leave this for like about 10 minutes because this band is like your best friend and the devil at the exact same time. Give it like a couple minutes and this shit will give you like the biggest migraine ever. But beauty is pain. It's what melts your lace into your scalp. Like, you just gotta do what you gotta do. Don't worry, I'm telling you, the edges, like, trust the process. That's all I could really say. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this off. And you see how this is white right here? We're gonna totally change that. You're gonna take this. If I had my tint, it would be a lifesaver. And I'm just gonna use my leftover residue that was on there just to, you know, blah blah. So now I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna cut it all. Just gonna cut it. Let me split this because it's taking too long. You can see me cutting at a good distance. I'm cutting like, I just fucking poked my eye. Ooh, I'm cutting at a good distance. I'm cutting like right here, 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 here. And this is just like a safety measure for me. So it looks like this. And trust me when I say, I'm not gonna keep looking like this, I'm telling you. So I'm gonna take this, and I got this off of Amazon. It is the Nairobi, and I'm just gonna, it's really new. I literally just got it. So I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna like, you know, lay these down real quick. So I'm just gonna mold it and then I'm gonna be cutting at the same time. So I'm gonna be using the Eco Styling Gel and I'm gonna be using this at the same time. It's just to like, you know, see where I want it to be so far. And I'm just gonna put this on my forehead, I mean on my backhand, and just gonna like play around with it. I should have been zoomed y'all in. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna tie it down and just wait till it dries. And while that is, I'm just gonna go wet my hair and then I'll be back after it is dry. Okay, so I am done with the hair. I'm gonna take it off now. Okay, so this is how it looks. If I was to do a middle part. This was a middle part, it would look like this. I need to wet it more because it's not wet as much. And guys, that is how I do my hair. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that this at least taught you a couple of things so that when you guys are doing your hair, you guys don't suffer as much. And with this whole coronavirus, it gives you guys some time to be in your home and to basically learn how to do your hair and practice more. As with me, it takes over time for me just to learn to get better and better. I'm not saying I'm not perfect at all. I still struggle times after times, and I was struggling a little bit here, but I really hope that this taught you guys a little bit something new. Make sure that you guys give this video a like, and if you're not already, make sure that you guys subscribe. Comment down below what else you guys want to see, and that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bye.